We don't use fluoride, and most conventional toothpastes have fluoride in them. So we'll want to avoid those ones.
Colgate.
Yeah.
What's that other one?
I don't know.
The other really popular?
Crest?
Colgate and Crest.
I don't even know anymore.
Yeah. It's been so long.
It's been so long since we've used that type of toothpaste. But on top of the fluoride, a lot of those conventional toothpastes have like flavors, right?
Oh, there's
like,
tons of ingredients in them.
Tons of ingredients. So it's not just the fluoride that's the problem. It's all the other stuff.
It's all chemicals.
Toxins that is in there. So fluoride, can you explain a little bit about what it does to our teeth?
Well,
the fluoride?
You know what's kind of crazy is that they put the fluoride in water, right? And I believe when they started to put it in the water, it was to like help clean your teeth, which is crazy to me because basically they were saying that, and I don't know, like I'm not like a fluoride expert. You know what's funny is that I didn't realize this, but I had a friend in, I don't know if it was in junior high, but his mom was like super against fluoride. I didn't know anything about fluoride. I didn't know anything about what she was doing, but we were like playing in their basement and she had like all these signs in her basement that were like, ban fluoride, no fluoride. I thought it was funny because I didn't know years later. And I was like, oh my gosh, that was really.
That's why.
No one said anything. Like it wasn't like a conversation. She never told us as kids. Like we were just there to play. She wasn't like, hey, don't use fluoride. I just remember these signs. And I was like, that was really weird. But they put it in the, I believe when they originally put it in the water, it was to clean your teeth. And it was like just such an odd experience to me. And like I said, I don't know behind the scenes. Like you got to look at those big pharmaceutical companies because they're a bit shady. And then you look at these other companies that produce the fluoride. Like they're obviously in bed with whoever's deciding if it should be in the water, for example. Like it's very clear. It's not like a controversial subject. Like they obviously work together. Like the head of like the FDA, for example, I think used to work for Monsanto or does. This is like so crazy. Like you have two like completely different boards and one that passes like controversial products. They work together. Like they work hand in hand. Like you can go and do the research.